Oftentimes when assembling an e-bike, the caliper is scraping on the rotor. This needs some adjustment and it's pretty simple. Let's get started. This is a real easy fix. We're going to want to recenter the caliper on the rotor. And the way we're going to do that is by loosening these two screws. Once loosened and you know you have movement, you're going to come to the top of the handlebars and hold down the brake. You're not going to release it. You're going to hold it down, come back to your two screws, and you're going to tighten them down while holding the brake down. And then we'll make it nice and snug. And then you'll see now we can release the brake. And our scrape should be gone. Perfect. Now our caliper is recentered on the rotor. Perfect.